Okay. Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Lufi bin Ismail, and my matrix number is 2024 249728. And I'm from class 8242 part 2, and I will make a video presentation for Dr. Siti Khadijah binti Abdul Karim. And this is my video presentation, and my topic is the auxin, which is auxin is the key hormone in plant growth and development. Okay, for the next slide, I will talk about the objective of this presentation, which is to understand what auxin is and its role as a plant hormone, and it is also to identify the main function of auxin in plant growth and development. And then next is explain how auxin regulates phototropism and gravitropism. Okay, for the introduction, auxin is a plant hormone, actually a natural chemical messenger that control a wide range of growth and development process. So in this slide, auxin is one of the most essential plant hormones that regulates various aspects of plant growth and development, because auxin is master regulator, and it also helps in cell elongation, root formation, apical dominance, responses to light and gravity. So what is actually auxin? In this slide, we explore more about auxin. Have you ever wondered how plants know where to grow, like how their roots how they bend toward sunlight, send roots into the soil, or form perfectly structured stems and leaves? Well, the secret behind many of these amazing behaviors lies in a tiny chemical messages called auxin. And for the auxin plays a vital role in how plants respond to environmental cues like light and gravity. So for the point number one, a plant hormone that promotes stem elongation and influence overall plant development. So because the auxin plays a central role in regulating how plant cells grow, especially in stems, because it triggers cell elongation, helping the plant grow taller and reach for the light. In addition, auxin will affect other growth process like root formation, fruit development, and vascular tissue differentiations. And for the point number two, for the auxin highly concentrated in the growing tips of the plant, shoot apical meristem. Auxin is mainly produced in the shoot apex, the tip of the stem, and the young leaves. From there, it moves downward, called basipetally, through the plant, influencing the behavior of cells below the tip. This concentration gradient is crucial for coordinating proper plant growth patterns. And for the point number three, it stimulates elongation of cells that it comes in contact with. Because when auxin accumulates on one side of a plant, such as the shaded side, it causes the cells in that area to elongate more, leading to bending toward the light, a process known as phototropism. This uneven cell growth is what allows plants to adjust their shape and direction in response to environmental cues. For point number four, it is responsible for apical dominance. Apical dominance is a phenomenon where the main central stem of the plant grows more strongly than the side branches. Auxin produced at the tip suppress the growth of lateral buds, ensuring that the plant grows vertically and efficiently use its energy and light resources. Okay, lastly, auxin, also known as first identified as the chemical responsible for phototropic responses. It's because auxin was initially discovered because of its role in phototropism, the bending of plants toward the light. Early experiments by scientists like Boysen-Jensen and Fritz Wen show that a chemical produced in the tip was causing these responses. That chemical was later identified as auxin. Okay, for the next slide, I will talk about where is auxin produced. So you can see on this slide, which is they usually produce a short apex, stems, root, apex, young leaves, and developing seeds. So for the short apex, which is tip of the stem, the main site of it is the main site of auxin production. This area contains actively dividing and growing cells. And then next is for the stem, and then for the root apex. In root apex, in smaller amount, roots can produce some auxin locally, especially during lateral root formations. And for the young leaves, also produce auxin, especially during early development stages. So for the last one is developing seeds and or fruits, which is produce auxin to support fruit development and prevent premature fruit drops. So on this slide, there is actually natural auxin and synthetic auxin. Let's talk about the difference between natural auxin and the synthetic auxin. First, for the natural auxin is produced naturally by plant itself. The most common type is called indole 3-acetic acid, or we just call it as an IAA. It plays a key role in regulating the plant's normal growth and development. Natural auxin controls important processes like cell elongation, apical dominance, root formation, and responses to environmental signals like light and gravity, known as tropic responses. On the other hand, we have synthetic auxins, which are man-made chemicals designed to mimic the effects of natural auxins. Some common examples include 2,4-D, which stands for 2,4-D-chlorophenosiacetic acid. It's such a long name, or an NAA, or naphthaleniacetic acid. And these synthetic auxins are widely used in agriculture and horticulture. For the example, they can help promote rooting in plant cuttings, prevent fruit from dropping too early, and even be used as herbicides to kill weeds. So by causing uncontrolled excessive growth in unwanted plants. In short, while both natural and synthetic auxins have similar effects, natural auxins are made by the plant, while synthetic auxins are created by humans for specific use in plant management and farming. So they both have benefits, and they both are used until nowadays. As we know, auxin is a powerful hormone that controls many important functions in plant growth and development. Let's go through its main roles. So for the first, auxin stimulates cell elongation, especially in stems. This helps plants grow taller. In response to light, more auxin collects on the shaded side of the plant, causing it to bend toward the light. A response called a phototropism. Next is auxin promotes apical dominance. This means it will keeps the main stem growing stronger than the side branches. If the apical bud is removed, auxin levels drop and the lateral buds start to grow, leading to branching. Auxin also stimulates cell enlargement, encouraging plant cells to expand and helping the plant grow in both height and thickness. It also plays a role in cell division too, especially in the vascular cambium, which is involved in secondary growth. Auxin also encourages the formation of lateral roots by acting on the pericycle cells in the root. Auxin helps initiate root formation, especially in stem cuttings. That's why it's used in rooting hormone products for gardening and agriculture. For another key role of auxin is mediating tropistic responses, how the plant responds to external stimuli like light and gravity. Auxin directs these movements to help the plant grow in the right direction. Auxin also regulates leaf and fruit abscission, which is the natural dropping of leaves or fruits. Depending on the plant's stage and hormone balance, auxin can either delay or promote this process. And finally, auxin can delay leaf senescence, which means slowing down leaf aging, and delay fruit ripening, helping control the timing of harvest in agriculture. As you can see, auxin involved in almost every stage of a plant's life, from seedling to maturity. It's truly one of the most important plant hormones. To conclude, auxin is a vital plant hormone that plays a key role in regulating a plant's growth and development. It influences several important processes, including cell elongation, root initiation, apical dominance, tropic responses, and even the behavior of fruits and leaves. Overall, auxin allows plants to respond and adapt to their environment, helping them grow in the right direction, maintain their structure, and ultimately survive. This makes auxin not just important but essential in the life cycle of plants. That's it for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.